So, I quit my job back in 2020, and ever since then, I've been running various online businesses and ultimately living a life of pure freedom. But if there's one thing I've learned since quitting my 9-to-5 job, it's that when it comes to setting up an internet business, there are difficult ways, but there are also easier or lazier ways that a beginner can take. It doesn't always have to be hard. Now, I'm not saying that things are going to happen overnight. I'm not saying that you're going to be able to snap your fingers and watch money fall into your bank account. There's always going to be a level of work that you need to do. But the overall point of today's video is to show you 3 of the easiest ways to make money on the internet without spending a lot of money or risking too much time and energy. These methods allow you to set things up while also positioning yourself to earn a decent income. As a quick disclaimer, everything I'm discussing in today's video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm simply sharing my own opinion, experiences, and the strategies that have helped me generate multiple streams of income from various online businesses. Let's not waste any more time and jump straight into one of the easiest ways to make money online with just a laptop and an internet connection. The first on the list is building an affiliate income website. From my own experience, this is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. The reason is that when you build a website focused on promoting affiliate links, you're not responsible for shipping products or buying inventory in bulk. All you need to do is create a well-structured website and sign up for affiliate programs. These programs provide unique links that you can place throughout your website on the homepage, in blog articles, and elsewhere. When visitors click these links and make purchases, you earn an affiliate commission. When most people think of affiliate marketing, they often consider promoting physical products through sites like Amazon Associates. While that's a valid approach, there are more profitable options, such as promoting digital products or software. Software-related affiliate programs often offer recurring commissions, meaning you continue earning from a single customer for months or even years. Let me quickly show you how I would set this up. There are many platforms for finding affiliate programs, but one of my favorites is PartnerStack. After logging in, you can explore various affiliate programs across different industries, such as accounting or artificial intelligence. Some programs offer up to 30% commissions on every transaction, with additional rewards of up to $2,000. Others pay $200 per qualified purchase or recurring commissions for the lifetime of the customer. Before applying for these programs, you need to have your website set up properly to increase your chances of being accepted. One of the best ways to build an affiliate website is by using Hostinger. It's affordable, easy to use, and can generate a fully built website in under 30 seconds using AI. Once your website is ready, you can start embedding affiliate links throughout your content, ranking your site on Google, and leveraging various marketing strategies to drive traffic and increase earnings. Another easy online business is selling spreadsheets and trackers. You might be wondering, how can I make money from spreadsheets? But the reality is that many websites sell specialized spreadsheets, income trackers, business spreadsheets, and more, making a significant monthly income. I know this works because I sell spreadsheets myself. Many people lack the knowledge to create well-structured spreadsheets with the right formulas and formatting. This is where you come in. You can build spreadsheets that people are actively searching for, or you can use AI tools like Julius AI to generate them for you. If you're considering this business, I recommend having some basic knowledge of Excel to handle customer inquiries. The process is similar to building an affiliate website. Use Hostinger to create a site, list your spreadsheets for sale, and promote them using SEO and social media. Since spreadsheets are digital products, there's no need to handle shipping. Customers receive their downloads automatically after making a payment, making this a passive and scalable business. Another profitable business is selling educational products, such as ebooks or online courses. People are always searching for valuable information, and you can monetize your knowledge by creating and selling digital guides. To find the best topics for your ebooks or courses, you can use tools like DeepSeek or Google Trends. Once you've identified a profitable niche, you can use AI-powered platforms like Gamma.app to generate an educational guide or course. For example, let's say you want to create a digital product about Google SEO. You can enter a prompt into Gamma.app, and within seconds, it will generate a structured educational guide, complete with step-by-step instructions. This eliminates the need to spend hours writing content from scratch. Once your digital product is ready, use Hostinger to build a website where you can sell it. Implement SEO strategies and social media marketing to drive traffic to your site and increase sales. Making money online with a laptop and internet connection is easier than many people think. Whether you choose to build an affiliate website, sell spreadsheets, or create digital products, these methods offer a great way to generate passive income. Of course, success requires effort and consistency. But by leveraging AI tools and strategic marketing, you can create a sustainable online business without the traditional barriers of high costs or inventory management. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for my upcoming content that will guide you through these steps in even greater detail.